Hi everyone, hope you're well. Happy solstice wherever you are, northern or southern hemisphere. So, this today is the new year. This solstice is a turning point. Solstice is the point of maximum tilt towards or away from the sun before the direction shifts. So, the key message here is evolve. Know that if you've got things ending at the moment, nothing ever really ends. Things just keep evolving. And what may appear or feel like an ending at the moment really can just be the start of something, even if you're not seeing or feeling it yet. During the week, I saw a message on someone's bag which really resonated with this time. It was very simple. It said, "Be bold, be brave, be you." So, whatever you're facing at the moment, don't be afraid. Keep an open heart and an open mind, and remember to be the light. Keep that light in you burning. I pulled a card for Solstice, just the one, and we got King of Swords here. So swords is air signs, and it represents thought, words, ideas, and communication. And the king is powerful, and he's holding the sword of truth. And he's saying, speak your truth, communicate your message at the moment. Other people need to hear it. So even if you don't think they do, or you don't think they're listening, or they're that interested, they really are. So keep speaking and communicating your special, unique message that you have to share. It's really needed, and you are making a huge difference. So just let your message out and soar like an eagle. It will go where it needs to go. Other people will be healed and guided and even saved by your words at this time. Also, something or some situation will evolve that you're in, may not have gone the way you wanted it to or hoped it would, but it's not over. It's still evolving, even if you can't see what's going on, and it will turn out so much better than you even hoped or expected. So if you're stuck in worry or despair about something, please don't be. Just get on with being your best self and allow the situation to evolve in the way that it is supposed to. Know your own mind at the moment. So swords is your mind. Know what you want, and it's a good time to set your goals and just go for it, knowing that this is a really powerful time for a new start. The other message is that clarity is coming. So you may have had to take a step back from something in order to, in the future, step forwards again. So something you're in, some situation may seem or appear like a backward move, but that's something you need or needed to do to get perspective and clarity. And when you have that, you'll move forward with a much more clear idea, much more focus about exactly what you want and how to get there. And the other thing I got was the symbol of the pyramid to talk about. So this is a symbol in lots of different cultures. The base represents strength, stability, and strong foundations rooted in earth. And these foundations can be in anything. It can be your work, relationships, personal development. So think about what are your foundations like? Where can you build these or reinforce them or take advantage of what you've already built? And the point of the pyramid represents transcendence, ascension, rising up, spiritual growth, connection with spirit. And it's like a gateway or a portal to higher consciousness. And pyramids overall amplify energy. So just allow your energy to rise, expand, and be seen. So this time of the solstice, a quiet, reflective 2 weeks or so could just be the recharge you need to go into the new year with more focus and clarity. So for today, the 21st, if you can get out in nature, and if you can't do it today, over the next few days, let nature just heal and recharge you and listen to what it's saying. And final thing I have to say is to remind you, you are not alone. You are very much in the arms of your angels, guides, ancestors at the moment. It's a lot like that footprints in the sand story. When you see one set of footprints, it was then that I carried you. So there's a lot of support and spirit at the moment for what you need. Okay, everyone. Hope that helped. Thank you for listening. Talk again soon.